positivity. Christina Jane, what is the word positivity to you? Positivity. Positivity looks, positivity outlook, or positivity mindset, positivity aspects. Wow. So that is all on calling at positive vibes in short, no? So just only focus on uh, what you dream or what your goal is. Just focus to reach it out uh, uh, on the positive ways, right? So to be able to reach your goal, you must be have positivity aspects, positivity outlooks. Hmm. So I hope you understand about the meaning of positivity. When you say negative is, of course, negative is negative, negative. Yeah, thank you for sending hearts. Yeah, so that is a difference. It's better to be positive than negative, guys. Positivity. Yan. So, Cyrulia, how are you? Nice to see you here again. So, big shout out each and every one of you. Hit the likes, guys. Uh, likes our live. So, once again, yes, hello, Chandan Dash Express. How are you all? Big shout out, Cyrulia, Chandan Dash Express. Hello there. Thank you for being here. So nice to see you here, everyone. So, big shout out Christina Jane Sakabin from Philippines. Big shout out Isagani Nagapan. Nagapatan, I'm sorry. And big shout out ER Kabayan PWD Vlog and Sean Matos. So hi again. How are you, Chandan? Yeah, thank you. How are you, Chandan? Yan. How are you, Cyrulia? And Chandan Dash. Mm, ayan. So, I'm sorry nawala yung live natin. Still, I'm here. Hi! Are you still here, guys? Hello? Naku, nawala na yung ano natin. Hello, are you still here? Hi, June Santos. I'm sorry, somebody call me, guys. May apologize. June Santos, hello. So, big shout out. Somebody called me a while ago. So, I don't know where is the post live here eh. So, if somebody call me while I am live, that is the problem. I really don't know where I can, I don't know where I can press or click here on the settings. Don't have it. Just only share have here. So, but anyways, once again, big shout out. Thank you for joining. Thank you for coming up my live. So, welcome everyone at Aina Diana Click, our daily evening live at YouTube. So, ano tayo? June Santos, how are you? How are you, June Santos? Are you okay? June Santos, nice to see you here.